They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you guys had a nice Valentine's and every other times. But as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing this beautiful jungle braids. I haven't done these braids a lot, probably like just twice. This is actually like my second time getting this braid done for my client, so I'm very excited about that. I did use color 4 for my client. She kind of have color 4 here as well, so it just works perfectly. And I want to say about 3 to 4 packs of hair, and one pack had about 3 bundles in them, so maybe like about, I want to say like 9 or like 10 bundles. And I am going to be doing the medium size. Again, this is like my second time doing this hairstyle, so like I am not as fast as I want to, but I am getting there. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so. And if you're liking this video so far, give the video a thumbs up. And if you like this video, at the end of this video, please also don't forget to share the video and make a comment and ask me all the questions. So right now I'm just making my clean parts, Again, the key to just a very nice looking braids are just the parts. You want your parts to be really nice and really clean. So I'm going to make my rough draft line, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge control. And then when I am done, I am going to take my rat tail comb and clean the parts, make sure it's good. I am not the best when it comes to like straight line, but when it comes to my client's hair, I always try to, like, I spend probably like majority of the time trying to create a clean, neat part for my client. Especially for this hairstyle, I was really excited for this hairstyle, so I just could not wait. So right now we're going to start. Again, I'm trying to make my videos like very close so you guys can see what I'm doing. I've done like maybe like, I don't know, 7-9 braids, and now we're gonna start to do this one. Sorry. So you're gonna braid for just like a regular knotless. You can either do like knot or knotless, but for this one I'll be doing knotless for my client. So I had to braid twice, and now I am going to start fitting it in. So you're just going to fit the hair in like you fit your regular knotless braids. I've done several knotless braids video, but the main point of this one is to show you guys how I create the nice loop to give it like the jungle braids. I've forgotten the lady that I saw a video of this on Instagram, and I was like, let me just, and my clients asked for me to get it done for her, and I just had to be like, let's get it done. And that was the first video I made. She used the color blue here. I'm also going to have the link of the tutorial in my description box. And she did a size small, but for this one I am doing a size medium. People call these braids like jungle braids and butterfly braids, but honestly I've seen people call it jungle braids like most times. But if you like what you see, what I'm doing is how you get what you see or even more. But yeah, I'm trying to better my time because it just took forever. But yeah, let's get right into it. So you're gonna braid, and then you're going to try not to braid too tight because you have to pinch just a little bit. Sometimes I end up just pinching too much, or I end up pinching too little. But it's okay as long as you pinch something. It's better for you to have like little than for you to have like too much pinching. Only if your clients want like the really thick like loop, or like the really like thick type. But if your client specifically asks for that, just try to keep it like medium-ish loop, or like small loops. Try not to make the loop like too big, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna keep braiding and braiding. I don't know if you can see how I am pinching. I'm going to pinch from the left, and I'm going to braid like twice, and then pinch from the right. So like I'm like basically like I'll just like skip every braid, like every 2 braid, and then I'm going to create the loop. So now I am thinking that if you want to create like more loops, when you braid once, you just like create the loop. But if you want it to just be like average and natural and just not too much, I would say braid twice and then make the loop. But the more loops you want, the more loops you have to make. But if you like what you see, all I had to do was just braid twice and then just use the pinching method and then creating the loop. So I'm going to do this to almost the end of my clients, so to the end of the braids basically. And when I was done with the hair, I asked my client if she wanted me to just dip the ends in hot water, or if she wanted me to just curl the ends for her, like the braids kind of curls. but then she wanted me to just like braid the ends, like basically like when I was done with the whole hair, I just like had the braids in like chunk of like 7 or 8 just to braid the ends, and I dip the ends in hot water and then I loosen it up. And then when I was done, it just gave the hair like a nice wavy look. If you saw like towards like the beginning of this video, but if you want to see more of that wavy look, you can just skip all the way to the end for you to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so right now I'm just creating my loop, and that's basically how I got this, how I was able to get this look for my clients. So yeah, you need any braiding hair basically, hair molds, of course, edge control, rat comb, and just whatever you need, right? And I would say for the maintenance, I haven't really done this hairstyle on myself, so I don't really know much about the maintenance, but I would just say it would need a lot of molds. Again, some people like their hair when it's like when it's older, so I'm really guessing that when it gets older it might start looking like a very like messy locks or messy butterfly locks. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'm gonna ask my client how it's looking, but she really loved her hair that day, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I would not say dip like the whole hair, I would just say dip the end, because I don't know if dipping like half of the braids will mess up the loop that you already made. Maybe when I try doing that on my mannequin, I'll probably know more, but for now I just dip the ends and everything is going well. No complaints so far, so good. We're still, she hasn't made any she hasn't made any complaint. But yeah, that'll be all. And yeah, I did the waist length, and I used the 58 inches braiding the hair to give me the nice waist length, because I was even thinking that when you're braiding and you're taking out the loop, it's going to make the hair shorter, so that would make you want to use longer hair for like a waist length. But just stick with like 30 inches for a waist length if you want to do this jungle or butterfly braids. But yeah, I will be making more tutorial. I do have clients coming soon that want to get this hair done in color 30, so I'm really eager to do this same hairstyle with different color. Let's say my clients have like a dark hair and I'm using like a blonde. I want to just try to show you guys how you guys can like finesse and take out the loop without taking out your client's natural hair. But yeah, that'll be all for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but till then, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking, I don't think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I don't think so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking, I don't think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I don't think so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.